All right, we've got a 2015 Ford Powder Stroke, cylinder 6. The glow plug seems to have failed, throwing a code. There's a little snow on the ground, so it's obviously a little cold outside. So we're gonna have to take off this driver's side tire, take out the wheel well. All right, we're gonna see if this little tiny Milwaukee.
New fuel brushless 3/8 drive impact on 12-volt battery. See if this will break off any of these lug nuts. All right, well, definitely doing it.
That was impressive for a little guy.
For a little guy, quite impressive.
All right, wheels off. Now we just need to take this little fender liner out.
Definitely one 10 mil over here.
We got an 8 and a 10 mil. There's one there, and we got one here. Yeah, that's kind of nice. I just sit back and watch you work.
All right. That's what happens when you're broke. Oh man, still got the rest.
This has just reminded me that I need to do my grid heater delete. I have it. We just need to go do it. Yeah, a little pry tool up top.
Yeah.
Oh, there he
This
is.
one's going into the liner,
Right there.
so I'll probably have to hit these. Those are going into the liner.
Fender bolts here.
Yeah, you
Okay,
wanna
those are
grab
8 mils.
A small impact or driver or something.
Yep. All right, these fender bolts are a 7 mil. All right, we got one more hidden deep
Up here at the front, 10 mil.
10 mil. All the sizes. All right, we lied. There is one more hidden right up near the front body mount.
It's not going to come out. There it is. You have those two 10 mil bolts that were hidden up towards the front. You can see them here on the liner. Kind of give you a better idea where they're at.
Okay, fender liner is out.
Alright. All this harness shit is in the way. But number 6 is going to be behind this shock. Right on the motor. So, begin back there shortly. It's coming free.
Okay, I'll try and get in here. All right, so it is a 8 mil,
Yep, 8 mil.
and we
Short extension.
had to use, yeah, with a short extension. Not really gonna be able to get a camera in here, but. All right, so you're getting a quarter turn at a time.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna get maybe a slightly longer extension. See if that does it.
Okay, so shock tower here isn't the right. So you gotta get pretty deep in there, but using a 1/4 inch. All right, the number 6, if you're looking for it, here's the shock tower. It'll be right in there. All right, we're gonna try and get it with this. So we've got a wobble with some tape on it. Give us a little more adjustment. Okay, she is out.
Just used a little tape here on the ends the socket, press it in, give it a little nice snug fit there, and the tape holds it, pulls it out for you nice and clean. As you see, this guy is totally cooked. Major carbon buildup. It even looks like it might have gotten some water down in that hole at some point with all the heavy buildup out here.
So we did find that you do need to use a 1/4 inch 8mm socket. The 3/8 had a ridge, and I just couldn't get in there deep enough.
Just that touch of a
guy there.
ridge. And you will see on here, this is an orange stripe. You do need to figure out whether you have an orange stripe or a white stripe glow plug. They say that it still makes a difference, even though the later trucks did convert all over to orange. If you have the white, something with the head design is slightly different.
Okay, we got the new guy, CD18, ready to go in. All right, so he's got it in. He's gonna put it in by hand with a 1/4 inch drive, and we're gonna torque it to 10 foot-pounds.
All right, that's snug. We'll get a torque wrench, check it from there.
All right, again, hard to see.
There we go. It's all clicked up.
Torqued.
All right, so we're gonna do a quick scan here, clear the code before we get everything going. Just did a quick auto scan, pulls up the truck for you. Another auto scan. We're gonna have a couple fault codes, but it'll go through and cycle everything real quick, and we'll clear the codes. So as you can see here, we had the main glow plug cylinder 6 circuit open code. That's what we're going to be clearing now. So we'll go down here to DTC list. It shows all. I also have tire pressure sensor failures. That's because I put new tires on and didn't put sensors in them. So we'll go down here and we'll clear all DTCs. Go back up. It is still showing it. I've had this happen a few times now with this code scanner, but it does clear it on the dash, and it doesn't seem to give me any issues. So we'll clear it one more time for good measure, but should be all good now.
Okay, we're gonna throw the fender liner in, tire back on, and start it up.
Like that, no check engine light anymore. All good to go.
Nice. Well, glow plug didn't fix the issue, so we're gonna have to dig into some wiring. So we'll do that in a separate video, our troubleshooting.